Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is able to hear me and everyone is able to see my screen. If possible, can someone please raise your hands just to ensure that everyone is able to hear me clearly? Yeah, thank you. Thanks for all the confirmations, guys. Yeah. So what I discussed yesterday is typically on a new features which are added in Java 8. Generally, just I'll go through the 2-3 minutes of what I discussed yesterday, and so that we'll continue for today. So yesterday, what we discussed is we discussed on new features which are added in Java 8, something like functional programming, high volume of data processing, reflection API changes, collection API enhancements, exceptional handling with optional keyword, and VM arguments leveraging, and base 64 encryption algorithm with a crypto hash mechanism, something like that. These are the new features that are added. And in a functional programming, a lot of interview questions will come. What is a lambda? It's an anonymous function that does not need any access modifiers, name or return value. It accepts set of input parameters and returns it. It can be passed as a parameters in a method. We can treat the code as a data, and the functionality can be passed to other objects and as well as other methods actually. And a functional interface is an interface should have only one abstract method and can have a default method without any implementation. That's called as a functional interface. And advantage of Stream API is typically it's a declarative programming language where we can use database functions like I used a group by right. So something like that we can use. And a multi-core architecture, no idea of multi-threading where developer no need to have. We can have a pipeline in operations in Stream that can run sequence or parallel. So it's a support of a group by or order by, something like that, where we can have that. And the optional keyword, it is mainly useful for avoid the null pointer exceptions here. So that is what on a theory point of view. In a practical point of view, we discussed about grouping by, where it is going to group all the characters as well as it is going to identify, grouping the each and everything which is going to identify. So this is what I discussed in yesterday's class. Today's agenda is we are going to discuss lot of interview questions scenario based, like they will ask you to implement or they will ask you to write some code. That is the most preferred way, especially for 2 years to 10 years of experience. So they will ask you, give a scenario and write the code to solve that particular problem and write the code to solve the problem. So that is what I'm going to discuss for today, completely on Java 8. So why I'm stressing more on Java 8 means maximum 70 to 80% of questions on core Java related to Java 8 only, guys. Because nowadays, completely functional programming, stream programming, as well as memory management programming, all the advanced features came in Java 8 itself. So that's why lot of interview questions will be attempted in Java 8 actually. Okay. So my intention was, as I told in the demo in the first class, just if you go through these examples and at least 80 to 90% of the chances where these questions only will come in interview, which has a cutting edge on behalf of for the exactly on the scenario wise, you have a leading edge as well as cutting edge on towards the questions point of view. Okay, so this is what I have here. Right now, guys, as I mentioned already, we are going to provide the running notes as well as recording videos. Management will provide you on this weekend. They will collect all the, they have all the email IDs which you registered, and they will provide on Saturday. Now the last class they are going to provide you. Okay, you no need to ask us. We are going to provide you the material as well as we are going to provide the codes and everything. Whatever I wrote till now, that is everything will be provided to you. Okay, so that is for today. And tomorrow I am going to focus on little bit of multi-threading and little bit of database point of view. That is what tomorrow's agenda. So tomorrow is the last class for interview preparation. Monday onwards, guys. Okay, I'm starting a new batch. 2 new batches are starting from my side. One batch related to design patterns, especially in Spring Boot and microservices. Okay, especially in Spring Boot and microservices, design patterns is a one batch I'm going to start. Okay, and also just let me give the timings here. I'm giving the timings, guys. 1 second. Yeah. So, guys, 7 p.m. IST that I'm going to start Spring Boot and microservices. Same timing, sir. I'm going to start Spring Boot and microservices batch at the same time from Monday onwards, as well as in the morning 7 a.m. Morning 7 a.m. Okay, let me write here. So I'm going to start new batches, guys. 2 new batches. 2 topics. I mean, two batches are getting started from my side. One is Spring Boot and microservices. Microservices. Demo sessions will be starting from Monday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST, the same timings, whatever you attended. Also, design patterns in microservices. That is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. These are the 2 things which I am starting, guys. If you feel that these are important for you, and if you like the way how the class is going on, you can attend the demo classes. All the demo classes are free. Total 5 demo classes, Monday to Friday, are free. Anyone can join. Okay, please go to the Ashok IT website and you can find the links and you'll get the information. Okay, guys. So these total 5 demo classes I am going to take here on the 2 topics, Spring Boot and microservices. So 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Design patterns, microservices design patterns. That is also 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. So please pass this information to all your friends and relatives or whoever is looking for that. Okay, right. So first of all, no need to say fees, guys. First attend the demo sessions, right? Then think about fees details and all those things. Okay, demo sessions are free, right? Once see the course content, once go through the demo sessions, then at that time you can decide. First of all, demos are free, right? So what course content is covered, what is exactly covered, what we are going to there, and in the demo sessions, how the classes are going on. Based on all 5 demo sessions are over, course content is given, then that time you can take a decision. Okay, fine. Kindly requesting everyone circulate this message to all the friends and family members or whoever it may be. Okay, so Ashok IT, 2 batches from my side, Mr. Vijay. My name is Mr. Vijay Kumar. So 2 batches are getting started and Spring Boot and microservices and design patterns in microservices. Okay, right, sir. Just I want to update this information and I'll go to my content here. Okay, right. Now, the next program which I'm going to focus is we need to write a program, okay, to all the duplicate elements, guys. Okay, write a Java program to find all duplicate elements from a given string. To find the duplicate elements in a given string. Okay. So what is my string here? Welcome to Ashok IT. Okay. This is my string here. In that string, how many, duplicate elements in a given string that I want to use here. So till here, what I was able to showcase here till here in the string, if you run this particular Java program, so A is present one time, C is present two times, E is present two times, O is present three times. So I can have a clear clarity here where I can find more than one, right? If it is more than one, I need to find out that, right? So what I'm going to do here, same code, guys, same code. Okay. Typically, ultimately same code here, but after that we need to change here. Okay, after collection dot counting, which I need to form a map. Okay, dot entry set. This is going to form a map. Okay, in that map, I want to apply a stream dot filter. I don't want all the things, sir. I want to get this entire string as a map. Okay, I want to convert this into map. This entry set is going to convert into map. On that map, I am going to apply a filter. What is my filter logic here? Okay, where a lambda expression x dot get value, each and every value. This is 2, this is 1, this value. Okay, which is equal to greater than 1. This is my logic here. This is my logic here. Filter x dot value greater than 1. This I want to do that. After that, map. Then after they're getting that, I want to convert into map dot entry, which I want to convert into only I need key value, only key is sufficient. I want to get this all the entire output. I want to convert it. I want to take a map with only keys, which is key C, E, H, I. That is the key, right, guys? That key. How many keys will be there? I don't know. How many things are there? I don't know. So collect where collectors dot to list. Okay. Just I'm adding the same functionality here. Till here, I know each and every character, how many times it is there. After that, I will convert into a map. I am determining, hey, in that map, which value is greater than 1 that I'm going to take. And I want only keys, not values. A, C, like these keys. And I want to collect it more than 1. Okay. So which is going to return me list of string is equal to duplicate elements, right? Now I'll print out, I'll list out duplicate elements is equal to plus, just I want to print this, guys. So we are adding extra logic here, guys. Everything, these are very, very important in our point of view, especially interview point of view. You need to write this code, at least pseudo code. Hey, converting into comma separated. I want to convert a string into array. After that, I'm grouping with the count. I'm grouping with the count. A present how many times? B present how many times? That is what. And I'm creating a map where I'll filter the value which are greater than or equal to 1, that I'm converting into map only with the keys I'm taking in that map, and I want to convert into list. So this is what you need to provide an explanation, guys. So if I written here, duplicate elements, because space is there, right guys? Space is also it is considering. Space is there 2 times, right? That is why it is considering E comma 0. These are the 2 duplicate elements here. For example, hello world, something like that, right? So L comma O, right? Hello world, L comma O, that's it only, right guys? So if you take any big string, that is going to give me the duplicate elements which are available. Okay, right? For example, in the same list, guys, same list, instead of duplicate elements, if they asked you to write unique elements, not duplicate, ignore the duplicates. Okay, sir, in the same output, I want to only a unique, ignore the duplicate elements. Just ignore the duplicate elements. Please give a list where that character will be there only once. Okay, what I can say here, what exactly I can say here, non-repeat elements. Okay, same code guys, but we'll again, so you should expect, I guess you can answer clearly. So write a Java program to list or to find first or to find non-repeat elements, non-repeat elements from a given string. I don't want duplicate guys, non-repeated elements. Same code I'll copy here. Where I need to change the code guys? Okay, unique elements, unique elements, right sir? I want to write unique elements, simple logic, very simple logic, correct, right guys? Anyone can easily identify which is what I need to do here. I clearly wrote greater than 1, just like in that place. If I write double equal to 1, sir, I want all the strings which has only occurrence is 1. Take that key and convert. Simple logic here. I only change the logic. That is what Java 8. I told, right guys? Simply a lambda expression, whatever a method I can send, I can unique the code. That's what I told, right? So here only this logic will take place here. Apart from that, nothing will be there here. So where I'm going to, okay, unique elements. Unique elements. I'm commenting this. Now, welcome to Ashok IT, right? So run as Java application. You saw here, all are unique elements. See here, how fast it is giving. Right, guys? Simple logic, right? Now, on top of this, clear, I guess, right? On top of this, okay, first element, first non-repeat element, okay, not all the things. Which element first non-repeated? W. Is W is repeated? No. E is repeated? No. So what I want here, to find first non-repeated element. This is also one more point here. Okay. Write a Java program to find first non-repeated element in a given string. Whatever the output is there right here, but it is not returning me, it is returning me the complete data. But I don't know which one is the first. I don't know which one is the first, right, guys? Understand, right? Which one is the first? I don't know. Okay. So what I can do here, same code, I will take it. I will write the same code here. But first, let me remove this. Okay. Now, after taking this, which is equal to 1, I don't want to convert this. Okay. Dot, in that list, I have find first. I have a method called as a find first. Dot get key. In that list, I don't want to convert. Only one element I need to find it out, right? Find first. Dot get key. So which is returning me a string here. String first element is equal. Okay. First non-repeated element. Element only. Okay. Let me comment this also, guys. So when I'm writing a Java program, but this is not I need. It is giving a different order, guys. Right, sir? It is typically giving a different order. It is not taking the order in which I write. It is taking a random order. This is I don't want to need here. This I don't want here. Understand, right, guys? So what I'll do here, I will copy the same here. Okay. Right. In that, what I am going to do here, typically. So I need a data structure which is giving me a map with the order which whatever it will preserve the order. It should preserve the order, not on their own order. So this is going to create a map, right? By default, map will take care its own order. We don't maintain order. But I want here, what is my requirement here? First non-repeated element, first non-repeated element. So the order in which I write in the same way, in the same order, I want that. How to do that? Which data structure will give me? Okay, which data structure will give me? Which data structure will give me the order which I write? That is linked hash map. Here, what I need to do here, I want normal, I don't want normal hash map, linked hash map, okay, which is a new hash map. Okay. Linked hash map, which is equal to new. I want to create a new hash map. So what I am doing here, I am creating So I'm creating a linked hash map, not regular hash map here. So creating linked hash map to maintain order where the characters were exists. Okay. Now this will give me first the order. Now you'll see here, run as Java application. You saw here first non-repeated element W. You saw that, right? First non-repeated element W. Maybe I'll take one more string here. Which is coming first word itself will should repeat here. Maybe HELLO, not that one. Any word which is there, the first word also will repeat. Okay. RREE WW yes WAB. Some string. Now the order will change, right, guys? R is there 2 times, E is there 2 times, W is there 2 times, SS is there. Now E. Now what I need to get here? I need to get E here, right? Now you'll see the output here. Okay, sorry, E is also there, right? Sorry. Now A is the, you saw that now? Guys, you saw that, right? R is there, E is there, W is there, S is there. Only A is not. So that is what you need to have an idea to find the first non-repeated element. 2 points you need to think here. Find first, will give the first element, and we need to maintain the order. This is what interviewer is looking for you. Linked hash map. Okay, which is going to linked hash map here. Guys, clear, right, guys? Everyone, I hope everyone is following. Okay. Yeah. Venkatesh, line number 54, ternary operator. Yeah, I think you can do ternary operator. You can apply. Yes, you can do that. Okay, right here. Okay, 59. Yeah, I got it. Same. You can do that actually in the ternary operator. You can do this. Yes, in forming a list. Now, next point is what I want is I have a list, guys. Okay. Create a Java program to find the second highest number from given array. Second highest number. For example, I'm taking integer array, which is numbers. Is equal to 5, 9, 11, 2, 8, 21, 1. So this is my array 5, 9, 11, 8, 21, 1. Second highest number I want here. Same logic, but small change you need to apply here. First highest is what? 21. Second highest is 11. Okay. What I need to do here, I want that should be in a particular order. I want to arrange them either in ascending order or descending order, where I want to group that. So Java 8 is giving boxed. Have you heard about box? It's giving a boxed with a sorted query. Maybe if you don't have an idea, I'll tell you that. Okay. So arrays dot as a stream, arrays dot stream numbers dot box. What is this box is giving, guys? An integer. That's a it's a boxing operation. It is converting into real integer, and that I want in sorted. In a sorted, which order I want here? Comparator dot reverse order. Reverse order, comparator dot reverse order. Okay. Where what it is going to do, it will arrange all the things in the reverse order as part of a sorting order, so that it will give in the descending order. But I don't want the first one. I don't want all the elements. I want only the second highest number, which is equal to dot skip. I can skip. First element I can skip. That is number 1. First element I want to skip here. Then after that, dot collectors dot to list. Okay. So which is returning me a list of integer second highest number is equal to sorry. I mean, I don't want to skip. I don't want to collect, right? Sorry. I'm missing here. Skip 1 dot find first. I want to find the first and I want to get it. I don't want all the things, right, guys? I want integer. Okay. What I'm doing here, I'm arranging in a descending order. Skip the first element. After that, find first and get it. Okay. So system dot out dot println second highest number, which is equal to second highest number. So which I'm running this code 11. You're able to see that? For example, you want third one, then you need to skip 2 elements. Something like that, where you can play with this logic and you can do this. Okay. So what I'm doing here, how I'm converting that list into, I mean, how I'm doing a sorting, how to skip. After skipping, how to get it. So that is what where we are going to. So all these things are Java 8, guys. All these things are Java 8. It will be only for interviews, guys. All these things are only for interviews. We can think like that. Okay. Right. Next one is, I hope everyone, this is a good area for you where you need to learn. You need to practice this. Then you will be very confident in the, if interviewer is telling Java 8, you will be very, very confident. Okay. You need to play on these functions some more times before you go for interview. Then you will be very confident before you go for interview, especially Java 8 is concerned. Java 8 is a very, very, very popular in interviews, guys. I'm telling you, very, very popular. Okay. I told in the beginning of the class, guys. Okay. And I'm repeating, guys. Please believe me. We are conducting interviews almost every weekend. Okay. We need a candidates, but the skill is not there. Lot of people were interviewing. I don't know where is the problem. Skill. Looking for skilled people. If you have a skill, company will search for you. Companies will look for you. Lot of people, because of laziness or because of lack of interest, because of other areas, people are not going in depth. Only they are studying at the beginning only. They are not going in depth. Very, very few people are going in depth. Those people will be streamed here. Those people will be, okay? So, especially if you have a right skill, Java 8, just to study for 1 week, all these areas, and you'll be very confident, guys. I'm telling you. Okay. Please, you need to prepare in such a way that you should be extremely going with that. Okay. Right. That is what I'm my point here. Okay. Right. Now, what I'm going to do is Java program to find longest string. To find a longest string from a given array. I have an array of strings, sir. Okay, I have an array of strings. We need to find the Java program to find the longest string. For example, I have a string array. String str array is equal to hello Ashok IT interview preparation Java batch Java 8 features. Something like this is my array. Now, what I want here, which string having longest length? This is, I hope this one. Is this our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 6, 9, 11. Preparation is 11. 4, 8. Yeah, Java 8 features is having that. So we need to find it out. Okay, guys. So we need to write a Java program that find the longest string from a particular given array. Okay. So same code, guys. But what we need to do is here we can have a reduce function. All the things I'm teaching, sir. Maximum Java 8, whatever it is giving, all the things I'm teaching here. Okay. So what I'm doing here, arrays dot stream of str array dot reduce function. It will string the array. What I want to reduce here, I will take two arguments, word 1, comma, word 2. First, it will take first two words. Okay. And what is the logic I am going to write here? Word 1 dot length greater than word 2 dot length. word1 dot length greater than word2 dot length. If it is more, then take word1, else word2. So what I'm doing, sir, here, my logic is word1 comma word2. Okay, right? So reduce function word1 comma word2, first argument, second argument. If this is greater than this, keep this, or if it is then keep that. Okay, I'm just applying that logic. But what I want here, which is the final, it will reduce dot get. Dot get. Automatically stream is going to apply for everything here. And this is giving me a string, longest string. This is my logic here. Word1 dot length greater than word2 dot. This is my logic here. A simple logic, reduce function. Very, very simple logic here. So what I'm going to do here, longest string, which is equal to longest string. Now we'll see. Yes, you saw here. Okay. If the reverse way is there, only simple logic, word to word, right? Reverse logic. You saw here. Same, which is the minimum small length. So reduce function is going to apply here, which is going to reduce the things here. That is the reduce function. So far, how many functions we saw in Java 8, guys? Lot of things we have seen. Disjoint, n copies, correct, right? Singleton, grouping, stream, identify, counting, entry set, as well as map dot entry. After that, linked hash map to get a value. After that, boxing with a sorted reverse order, comparator dot reverse order, and reduce. Still lot of things are there, guys. Lot of things are there. But sir, I'm only focusing very, very, very important things. If you practice this, more than sufficient. That's what my point here. Okay. Now, what I want is create a Java program. Okay. To find all elements from array starts with some character. Okay, it's not a string, guys. It's an array. I mean number. So int numbers is equal to 5 comma 9 comma 11 comma 2 comma 8 comma 21 comma 4. This is okay. I want to create a Java program to find all the elements from array starts with 1. Which number is going to start with 1? Nums. I can write this. Okay. I need to check. Is it starting with 1? Here only 11 is starting with 1. That I need to verify. Okay, where I can write filter function directly. We have a filter function that directly I can write here. So here simple logic, arrays dot stream of nums dot boxed dot map of. Okay, for every number I want to apply a string which I want to do this dot map, where each and every character I want to apply, which is converting into a string. Okay, if I don't convert into string, I cannot compare, right? That's why I need to convert into string dot. I can apply filter. If I don't convert into string, I cannot do that. I need to convert into string. String 5, string line, string 11, string 2, string 8, string 21, string 4. Like that I need to apply. In that filter, what is my logic here? In that filter, my logic is S, that string, S dot starting with 1. S dot starting with 1. That's it. Dot collect, collectors dot to list. First I'm converting it to string array. After that filter function, then only I can apply. On a string only I can apply, right? On a number I cannot do that, right? So that is what I have, which is going to give me list of string, str list. Okay, sys out, starting with 1 or str list, starting with 1 or str list. So if I run this code, you saw 11, right? For example, I write 121. Right? 11, 121, 167, 198. You are able to see that? That is where we can write. I mean, the logic is we need to convert into string. We need to convert into string. After that, we need to write here. Okay, right. Next one is, we have another case, guys. String dot join. String dot join example. This is also useful, guys. Where, assuming that I have a list of string, number invoice. Okay. What is I want is, what exactly I want is, sir, I have array as 1, 2, 3, 4. What I want is, I want to convert into a string 1-2-3-4. I want to join each and every number with this character. I want to join. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, list of string is equal to, okay, arrays dot as list of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After that, I'm getting the string. Then I'll take a result string is equal to string dot join NOS. Sorry, first I need to write delimiter. First delimiter and which is the string. Number of strings here. So sysout final output. Plus result string. Now you're able to see that 1-2-3-4. This is join method. So where will using join method in real time? Sir, for example, sir, in real time, in Amazon or Flipkart, you are preparing an order. Okay. There are 100 products are added in the cart. 100 products are added in the cart. And you want every product, something like you need a string, prod 1, colon, prod 2, colon, prod 3, colon, prod 4, colon, prod 5. You want a colon to be added. All the products which are available in the cart. You want this. A colon they want to send. Front end should send a colon to back end. In that case, string dot join will be very, very useful. Okay, right here. And also skip with limit. Skip with limit. There's a one more case. Skip already we saw. Skip we saw right? And skip with limit. For example, I have 2 to 9 numbers and I want to skip 8th element. I want to skip 8 elements. So for example, int stream int stream dot range closed starting 1 to 10. Range closed. This is a given. It will print 1 to 10. But in that, I don't want all the things. I want to skip one element. I don't want the first element, but I want only 8 elements. And I want to print for each system dot out colon println. So it will display 2 to 8. 2 to 9 we'll see here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many elements are there? 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. You saw 8 limits. I want to skip the one. After that, I want only 8 elements. So that is the case of skip with limit. Okay. Now these are the general things, guys, where we can apply in Java 8. Okay. My tomorrow's topic is in database side. Assuming that I have some data in the database, I want to apply on the Java. How to do that? By taking database into consideration. Some of the database queries also we will discuss. Some of the database queries also we'll discuss, guys. That is what aligned for tomorrow. Okay. So this is for right now. And I'm mentioning again, there are 2 batches are opening for Ashok IT. One batch is design patterns, which is in the evening batch. Sorry, Spring Boot and Microservices in the evening batch and design patterns in the morning batch. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see tomorrow with the other set of Java 8 and the database related questions also tomorrow. That is the last class for tomorrow on the interview preparation. Okay. We'll make sure that we will send you the recording videos as well as the complete material which I'm sending right now. You'll see everything. Okay. Fine. Thanks everyone, guys. Have a great day. Thank you all.